So how to stay in control when you can't see the projects in your organization? And you can't because projects only exist in our minds. It is like trying to control the traffic when you can't see the cars. Well, then you lose control. My name is Jan van Egmond and I'm Project Management Hacker. And earlier videos explained how to repair when projects get stuck, because then the organization slips off either to the left or to the right side of the productivity curve, productivity drops. This is how project organizations in practice waste lots of capacity. But it is better to stay on top and to prevent slipping off at all. So this video is about how to balance on top of this productivity curve. You can't see or feel or measure when you're on top of the performance curve. Being on top feels like there is still room for more projects. But when organizations would add more projects, then people will get overloaded and productivity will drop. And this is how on top looks like when you would be able to see the project. The in column, 100%, this is for the bottleneck, maximum productivity for the bottleneck. The waiting queue absorbs the fluctuations in the flow. The started projects haven't reached the bottleneck yet, and 2 projects are scheduled to start any moment. And this is the roadmap, and the slope of the roadmap depends on the velocity in the pipeline. Let's have a look what might change this situation. Well, first, projects in the schedule to start column might become available for the bottleneck, and then they move into the waiting queue. People might start working on projects that are in the schedule to start column. The bottleneck might pick up work projects that are in the waiting queue. And when the bottleneck completes a project, then the workload in the bottleneck drops and the bottleneck becomes available for other projects. And this causes other projects that are in the roadmap moving to the left. And this is how projects out of the backlog move into the schedule to start column. Picking up projects directly from the backlog may cause those projects to jam, because the bottleneck doesn't have capacity for more projects. Well, to alert this, those projects will turn purple. And projects might become red in the schedule to start column when people don't pick up those projects quickly enough, because then it might cause the bottleneck to run empty later on. Everything is focused on the bottleneck, to keep it running without jamming. And it guarantees to balance on top of the performance curve. In previous videos I explained what to do when the bottleneck jams or runs empty and slips either off to the right side or the left side of the performance curve. In this video I explained how to balance on top of the performance curve. This is the recipe to boost project productivity by 20 to 50%. The reason why this is so hard in practice is lack of overview, and that is what this pipeline manager is for. Next video is about uncertainty, when estimates are inaccurate or biased. My name is Jan van Egmond, I'm Project Management Hacker, because there are better ways that are easy to learn and easier to use. When you like this video, then hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this and discover new project management insights, then follow me on LinkedIn and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're ready to take the next step and want to implement a pipeline manager or want to help your clients with it, then contact me directly. Thanks for watching.